Have you ever wondered if SoFi charges origination fees? It's a question that many people ask when considering personal loans. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of SoFi and explore whether or not they charge these fees. Before we get into the specifics, let's understand what origination fees are. These fees are essentially upfront charges that lenders impose on borrowers when they take out a loan. They're typically calculated as a percentage of the loan amount and are often used to cover the costs of processing the loan application and underwriting the loan. Now, why do people care so much about origination fees? Well, they can significantly impact the overall cost of a loan. If you're borrowing a large sum of money, even a small percentage can translate into a substantial fee. So, it's natural to want to know if you'll be facing this additional expense. SoFi's origination fees. Let's cut to the chase. Does SoFi charge origination fees? The answer is no. That's right, SoFi does not impose origination fees on their personal loans. This is a significant advantage for borrowers, as it means they can potentially save a significant amount of money up front. However, it's important to note that while SoFi doesn't charge origination fees, they may have other fees associated with their loans. These could include late payment fees, return payment fees, or fees for certain loan features. So, it's always a good idea to carefully review the terms and conditions of any loan offer to understand all the potential costs involved. SoFi's other fees. Let's take a closer look at some of the potential fees you might encounter with a SoFi personal loan. Late payment fees. If you miss a payment or make a late payment, SoFi may charge a late fee. The amount of the fee will depend on the specific terms of your loan agreement. Return payment fees. If your payment is returned due to insufficient funds, SoFi may charge a return payment fee. This fee is typically a fixed amount. Fees for certain loan features. Some loan features, such as prepayment options or loan modifications, may incur additional fees. Comparing SoFi to other lenders. Now that we know SoFi doesn't charge origination fees, let's compare them to other lenders in the market. While many lenders do charge origination fees, there are some that don't. So, it's important to shop around and compare offers from different lenders to find the best deal for your specific needs. When comparing lenders, consider the following factors. Interest rates. The interest rate is the most important factor to consider when comparing loans. A lower interest rate can save you a significant amount of money over the life of the loan. Terms and conditions. Carefully review the terms and conditions of each loan offer to understand all the potential costs and requirements. Customer service. Look for a lender with a good reputation for customer service. A positive customer experience can make a big difference, especially if you encounter any problems. In conclusion, SoFi does not charge origination fees on their personal loans. This is a significant advantage for borrowers who are looking to save money up front. However, it's important to be aware of other potential fees that may be associated with SoFi loans. Before applying for a loan, it's recommended to shop around and compare offers from different lenders to find the best deal for your specific needs. Consider factors such as interest rates, terms and conditions, and customer service when making your decision. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.